Healthcare advocates say thousands of women and families in Orange and San Bernardino counties no longer have access to primary health care services after federal funding cuts to Planned Parenthood clinics. As NBC4's Hetty Chang explains, the funding cuts also mean dozens of people will lose their jobs.
This Planned Parenthood clinic in Westminster is one of the clinics impacted. The cuts mean the closure of primary health care services. And in Orange and San Bernardino counties, Planned Parenthood says 77 people will lose their jobs.
I'm for Planned Parenthood.
Outside of the Planned Parenthood clinic in Westminster, healthcare advocates and government leaders laid out the direct impact of what they call a slashing of vital healthcare services to 13,000 patients in Orange and San Bernardino counties.
When I talk to people at the grocery store, at the barber shop, they're scared. They're scared of their healthcare becoming unaffordable or just going away.
A provision in President Trump's tax bill instructed the federal government to end Medicaid payments to abortion providers that receive Medicaid reimbursements.
The federal funding that has now been cut off is for our STI tests, our birth control, our cancer screenings, and it also funded our primary care program, Melody Health.
Planned Parenthood officials say that means 7 out of the 9 Planned Parenthood clinics in Orange and San Bernardino counties that provide primary health care services are now without.
It's diabetes management. We had a robust behavioral health program. It is vaccines. It is flu, come in for your cough and cold.
Garden Grove City Councilwoman Ariana Aristegui says she went to Planned Parenthood for those very services in the district she now represents.
Planned Parenthood was definitely there for me when I was just a young kid fresh out of undergrad, and I needed to get that preventative care done.
We reached out to local, state, and federal GOP offices for comment on our story today and have yet to hear back. Previously, the Health and Human Services Department had said federal fund withholdings to Planned Parenthood are to ensure entities are in full compliance and federal law and grant terms to ensure responsible stewardship of taxpayer dollars. Planned Parenthood of Orange and San Bernardino counties say in the last month they've seen 25,000 patients, and they say because they're not getting those Medicaid reimbursements, Planned Parenthood has had to pay for 80% of those visits. Reporting in Westminster, Hetty Chang, NBC4 News.